Congratulations, Zina Nasser. Ladies and gentlemen, we now begin the official prize distribution ceremony honoring the incredible fighters who stepped into the ring tonight and delivered world-class performances.
And now we request our honorable chief guest to please proceed towards the prize distribution stage and distribute the prizes and souvenirs. So, sir, if Lieutenant General Syed Fayaz Hussain Shah Hilal Imtiaz Military Commander 4 can join us on stage to present the winning shields and souvenirs. A huge round of applause. तालियां होनी चाहिए हमारे चीफ गेस्ट के लिए इस कामयाब बॉक्सिंग चैंपियनशिप के इनेकाद पर। और first of all, I would like to call the winner of the first bout, Asim Zaman, to come on stage and receive the medal from the chief guest. A huge round of applause for Mr. Asim Zaman. Khawateen o Hazrat, Asim Zaman.
Congratulations, Mr. Asim Zaman.
तालियां आपकी हों तो जीतने वाले का भी दिल बड़ा होगा। एक जबरदस्त फाइट आसिम जमान की तरफ से। And now I would like to call winner of the second bout, Zina Nasser, to come on stage and receive medal from the chief guest. The winner of the second bout, Zina Nasser, if she can join us on stage.
Congratulations, Zina Nasser. और इतना अच्छा लगता है वासे के खवातीन की भी अब रिप्रेजेंटेशन है
बिल्कुल
हर फील्ड में शाना बशाना।
I think Zina के behalf पे उनकी टीम ने लिया है मेडल।
Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, now Mr. Chris is requested to come on stage and receive souvenir from the chief guest.
Mr. Chris.
Mr. Chris. Ladies and gentlemen, now Mr. Chris will present souvenir to the honorable chief guest.
And ladies and gentlemen, at the end, Major General Faisal Ghaffar Rana, General Officer Commanding 11 Division, will present championship memento to our honorable chief guest. And I think Zina Nasser is here as well. बहुत सारी तालियां होनी चाहिए for Zina Nasser.
Congratulations.
ये देखें खवातीन की स्पोर्ट के साथ.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको.
Zina will receive her medal from the chief guest. A huge round of applause for Zina. Many congratulations. to both the winners. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Major General Faisal Ghaffar Rana, General Officer Commanding 11 Division, will present championship memento to our honorable chief guest. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And with this, we request our honorable chief guest to move towards the experience zone.
Thank you, sir, for gracing the event with your presence.
जबरदस्त दो फाइट्स आज देखने मिली हैं लाहौर वालों को और तमाम टीवी चैनल्स जहां पे ये फाइट्स देखी आप लोगों ने। ये सिलसिला जारी रहना है अगले 3 दिन भी। कल भी फाइट्स हैं, परसों भी और तरसों भी फाइनल, जो कि बहुत ही शानदार होने वाला है। हम आप तमाम लोगों के बहुत मशकूर हैं जो इस वक्त यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं और खास तौर पे तशरीफ लाए इस जबरदस्त इनक्रेडिबल जर्नी का हिस्सा बनने के लिए।
एग्जैक्टली वहां से आपने सही कहा। मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अभी अपनी अपनी नशिस्तों पर तशरीफ रखें। Our honorable chief guest proceeds towards the experience zone. We request you to please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, after this, you're kindly requested to be seated. हमारे चीफ गेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस जोन की जानिब जा रहे हैं और आपसे दरख्वास्त की जाती है कि
Ladies and gentlemen, in our heavyweight bout tonight, Asim beats Wahab by unanimous decision. It was a dog fight, and the second fight, Zaina beats Kanakwan by unanimous decision as well. Zaina put on a clinic on her pro debut. Asim did what he came in to do. He landed the significant strikes. He made his opponent work as much as he could. He left Wahab Ahmed speechless and answerless towards his punches, and he came in with a statement. And tomorrow we're coming in with high-level fights. We've got a super welterweight bout, Tom versus Kevin. We're going to be starting at Pakistan time, 12:30 p.m. Afterwards, we're going to be shifting for Imad versus Markin. After that, we have a welterweight bout in store for you, Waqas versus Jose. Then we're going to be following that up with a lightweight bout, Jahangir versus Muhib Ullah. And that's not all, folks. We've got a light heavyweight bout as well, Gefrard versus Saki. After that, we're going to be going for Yermi versus Mohan, which is going to be a featherweight bout. And last but not least is going to be Hamza versus Richmond for the WBA South Asia lightweight title. Ladies and gentlemen, it was an honor to commentate for this outstanding event, International Boxing Championship. Do not go anywhere. We will be back tomorrow in the city of Lahore with more energy, with better fights. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for having us. See you tomorrow.